Hello YouTube and welcome back to Master N Productions. Today we're gonna look at the two rising YouTubers from CP Sisters, which is Ghost and Bubbles. They have both been consistent lately on YouTube. Currently Ghost has 42k subscribers, Bubbles Flake has 37.2k subscribers. Well, people think that these two are dating and here is to why they think so. Ghost and Bubbles went on a handcuff date and people commented and said Bubbles plus Ghost is equal to Ghost Wheezy. Others said that these two should date, while others are saying they are dating. Well, we don't know if that is true or they are just rumors or they are just pushing content. Bubbles prank Ghost about receiving a call from a contact that is saved by Babe, and Ghost got angry.
I see my love of phone now. I see my love of phone now. No, who phone a baby? Hey, la, I can't do what disturb me. No, ma. Who disturb me? Not so shoes. What are you doing? She's just making excuses. She's busy there with other niggas. This one. She's. You're laughing, dog. Like, what? Sis. Okay, is that a girl or girl? Be honest. Be honest. Is that a guy or a girl? Is that a guy or girl?
Guy.
Hey. I'm test.
Later, Ghost pranked Bubbles about having a blind date with Dancing with Sibusisiwe, and Bubbles got angry.
He's definitely my type.
We're shooting a blind date.
Blind date.
So now, do you guys feel like you're getting...
Actually, I'm not paying the guys. Calm down. Calm down. No, like again,
what's wrong?
Like because you put it on the cause after but then now.
Like, we're just shooting a blind. Like, it's the first blind.
It's funny because your reaction is just weird. It's just content. It's just shooting.
It's genuinely just
shooting. But it's just content. It's just
But
shooting.
then it's just content.
Just shooting.
Well, if they are not dating, then why was Ghost angry that Bubbles received a call from her bae? Why was Bubbles angry when she saw Ghost on a blind date with someone else? I don't know the answer, but maybe you do. Well, if this is true, then I think Ghost is the real Jonas, cause on a Q&A with CP Sisters, he revealed that he once dated LSG and Dudu. If all this is true, then Bubbles is the third one on the list. Happy family, ne? That's what he said.
Wait, let me count first in my head. Oh, it's only two, eh? It's only two.
Yeah, by two. Yeah, mention that.
I'm not gonna mention, I'm not scared of any of you.
Yeah.
LSG, they're sitting right here. Can you feel me?
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press that share button.